was talking to a client today who said on their PoiPriestess they sometimes like to use the knob, but they sometimes like to use the loop. The way I handled this was by getting a custom floop length, because for me the shorter floop just doesn't get, I like to go around my whole hand, so this is the grip that I like to use when I'm using the loop. I put it around my whole hand and I go between these two fingers like this. So the knob is on the back. Now, if you have enough loop space in the floop, you could just do your normal, two finger, whatever you do, and then leave the knob on the back, which is a little weird and annoying, but also it gives you the flexibility that you're looking for. Or you can get a custom floop length, or you used to be able to. I don't know, they may not be doing it right now because of COVID. And what I do is I hold it here and then wrap it around and grab either here, or wrap around fewer fingers and grab on the swivel.